Welcome viewers. In this video, it's a new video on my channel. It shows a refrigerator, but these are highlights. Why I highlighted this to you, maybe people will love this. I still want to check if people love to see fridges being fixed on this channel. So as you see, it's running this compressor, but it's not hot. And this pipe is a cold. That one, the other one is supposed to be hot, but both they are cold. You don't feel anything there. This is the type of the compressor for this fridge. Right, this is our thermostat. This thermostat ceased. To those who still want to learn more, this is the capacitor. You see, capacitors are found everywhere. This type of fridge works with a capacitor. This is the inlet when we want to add or refill gas. But here right now, we want to remove this piece of pipe. That's how we work on. Right, this is the valve. We are going to replace that small pipe with this valve. Right, make sure you do it correctly. This is the type of which we use. This is brass, but brass is not good for copper to copper. No, if the valve is made up of copper and the pipe that leads to our, if it is, this is copper, and the valve is copper, so it's good to work on this. That's what we are doing there. This is how we do these things. Here you see our thermostat, it's new. We replaced the old one which ceased. That's how you reconnect it. That's red, and the other one is red. The two are red. Then the third wire is negative, or GND. This is thermostat cable. You see how you put it in. That's the way of pulling it out, replacing in, pulling it out, replacing in. Thank you, viewers. Here we are ready to fill the gas. That's how we connect it to the compressor, like that. So we are ready to refill this compressor, this fridge. Right, here we start. That's our deep freezer. That's how it looks like. Is yours same like this? Do you have any problem? Right, we started filling this. The second one, it's a bit warm, but the first is hot. You see, the third one, the three, first, second, and third must be hot. The fourth gets warm, become warm. Our gas passes through this to the refrigerator. This where you see gas passing through from the gas tank to the our meter used to raise when gas is flowing, and it measures amount of gas. Right, we are going to open so that we want to see any change. This is how the fridge started working. If you look closely there, there's that white there. It's started freezing. Thank you, viewers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for this video to go viral.